Hello, welcome. Can I help you find something today?
Hi. Yes, please. I'm looking for some comfortable shoes.
Sure. Do you want casual shoes or something formal?
Casual, please. I want to wear them for walking.
Okay. What size do you wear?
I'm size 7.
Alright, let me show you some options. Here's a pair of white sneakers. They're very popular.
Oh, they look nice. Can I try them on?
Of course. Please sit here. Here you go.
Thanks. They feel a bit tight.
Do you want to try a size bigger?
Yes, that might be better.
Here's size 8.
Yes. This feels perfect. I like them.
They suit you. Do you want to look at other colors?
Yes, please. Do you have them in black?
Yes, here they are.
Oh, I like the white ones more. I'll take the white.
Alright, I'll put them at the counter for you. Anything else today?
Yes, I also need a summer dress.
We have a clothing section right over there.
Here are some new summer dresses. Do you like bright colors or soft colors?
Soft colors, please.
It's very popular.
Oh, it's lovely. Can I try it on?
Yes, the fitting rooms are over there.
What do you think? Does it look okay?
It looks perfect on you.
Thank you. I'll take it.
Hello? Did you find everything you needed?
Yes, thank you.
Okay. That's one pair of sneakers and one dress. The total is $65.
Here's my card.
Thank you. Please enter your PIN. Great. Here's your receipt.
Thanks a lot. Have a nice day.
You too. Good evening. Table for one?
Hello. Yes, table for one, please.
Of course. Would you like to sit by the window or in the middle?
By the window would be nice.
Here's your table.
Thank you.
Sure, here's the menu. Would you like something to drink?
Yes, water will be fine, thank you.
Certainly. And what would you like to eat?
I'll have the grilled chicken with vegetables.
Would you like any side dishes or starters?
Oh, can I also have a small salad before the main dish?
Great choice. I'll bring your salad first.
Thank you.
Here you go. Enjoy your meal.
This salad is fresh.
Of course. Here's some extra dressing.
Excuse me, could I have some more dressing, please? Thanks. This is delicious.
Good evening. Paying by card or cash?
By card, please.
Thank you. Here's your receipt.
Thank you very much. Have a good evening.
Have a lovely evening.
Good afternoon. Welcome to Hair Salon. Do you have an appointment?
Hi. No, I don't. Can I get a haircut today?
Let me check. Yes, we have an opening in 10 minutes.
That's great. I'll wait.
Hi, Alice. I'm Emma. I'll be your hairdresser today. What would you like to do?
Hi, Emma. I'd like a trim, just to make it look fresh.
Sure. How much would you like me to cut off?
About 2 inches, please.
No problem. Do you want me to wash your hair first?
Yes, please.
Okay, let's go to the washing station.
This chair is comfy.
I'm glad. I'll use a gentle shampoo.
That smells nice.
All done. Let's go back to the chair and start cutting.
Pretty good. I just wanted to take some time for myself.
That's always important.
Yes, I feel relaxed already.
There we go. I've finished the trim. Do you want me to style it?
Yes. Could you blow dry it straight, please?
Absolutely.
Wow, it looks so smooth.
I'm glad you like it. All done? That will be $25, please. Thank you. Here's your receipt.
Thanks. I'll see you next time.
Have a great day, Alice.